Hello everyone and welcome to Yoga with Adriene. I'm Adriene and this is Benji. And today we have a 5-minute meditation that you can do anywhere. So on your mat, on a meditation cushion, on a block, on a chair, on your couch, in your bed, in a car, on a boat, I got you. Let's take a second to tune in to our breath, to pause and invite balance back in for the brain and the body. We got this. All right, come into your seat, wherever you are. And if you're comfortable, right away, I'll invite you to soften your gaze down gently past your nose or close your eyes. Allow the sound of my voice to guide you here. 5 minutes of meditation to support you, to ground you, and to hold you in presence. Take a deep breath in and lengthen up through the crown of your head. So just get a little taller in your spine. And as you exhale, gently draw the shoulders back just a bit and imagine just draping them down the back body. So again, inhale, sit up a little taller, lengthen through the spine. And exhale, pulling the shoulders back and down. And one more time. Sit up tall as you breathe in. Get longer in the spine. And pulling the elbows and the shoulders back a bit to relax. The weight of the shoulders and the weight of the arms down. Now just simply allow your breath to flow naturally. I always find that is a gentle catch-22 because when we bring our awareness inward, it can change the quality of our breath. So let it flow naturally, but also notice when you feel inspired to breathe with more awareness. There's no right or wrong here. Thank you for allowing me to be your guide. As you sit quietly here, spine nice and tall, bring your awareness to the low body. And with each breath cycle in and out, just imagine, feel the sensation of the low body getting heavy. Like a bag of sand sinking into the earth. And as you sit here quietly, you may notice some noise in the landscape of your thoughts. No problem. You can acknowledge that they're there, acknowledge the thought, And then just let it pass. Like a cloud moving, changing shape in the sky. Continue to acknowledge any thought that comes to mind and allow it to pass. And for this last beat of this meditation, I invite you into exquisite stillness, whatever that means to you. Gently bring your attention to the upper body now. And when you're ready, take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, shrug the shoulders a little bit and begin to bat the eyelashes open. Open your eyes. Draw your hands together at your heart. Thank you for taking this moment to tune in, to pause, to meditate with me and with Benji. I hope you have a beautiful rest of the day.